So in the previous video, we have seen that when a switch is connected to D1, and when you try to press the um, or short the D1 pin to supply, we have seen that the LED has glown, and then if you short the D1 pin to ground, the LED is off. Now in this video, instead of D1, we are using D0. Like if you see here, okay, you can see the wire, the button wire that we have been using. The wire is connected to D0 instead of D1. Now in that scenario, let us assume I am just trying to connect the wire to VDD. Okay, the LED is on, and when I connect the wire to ground, I see that the blue LED is blinking. You can see here the blue LED is blinking when we connect to the ground. So what is the relation between the D0 pin and the blue LED? Let us try to investigate. Okay, so if you see, this is a schematic of NodeMCU ESP12. So in this schematic, let us see where the LED is. So here is the button and the LED connectivity that is shown in the schematic. Like if you zoom in here, you can see that the LED cathode is connected to the GPIO 16 of the node MCU. So which means, okay, so the GPIO 16 is nothing but the D0 pin on the node MCU dev kit. So when you are trying to ground this, you see that blue LED is blinking. So actually, when we explained, right, we were using D0 as as a input pin and we are trying to blink an LED based on the action of that is happening on the D0 pin, like whether it be going to high or whether it be connecting to a VCC or a ground. So when you connect to VCC, what happens is this is 3.3, anode side you have 3.3, and here it is 3.3, LED is off. Now when you ground this pin, the D0 pin, this LED, blue LED is blinking. So the reason why blue LED blinks is this. So what we understand from this scenario is not every GPIO of the node MCU can be used just like that. There are some additional functionalities associated with it which actually helps us to understand which actually restricts us from using those pins, and we have to understand the internal circuitry of the node MCU dev kit as we are showing here, to know what is happening with those pins. Are these pins directly pulled from ESP8266 and given to the header on the node MCU, or used like this as we see here? So ensure that you know what is happening. Thank you.